Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use remote play from your Xbox One to your PC, your tablet, your fridge, whatever device you can open up a web browser. So you can see I actually have this set up right now, and I can exit full screen, disconnect. So let's go to disconnect. So all you have to do is go to a web browser and go to xbox.com. So let's go to xbox.com. And this is challenging here, remote play. And once you have this typed in, so I'll zoom in and you can see exactly what I have typed in. So it's just xbox.com/remote play in a web browser. Press enter. And it's going to bring you to this white screen. Just wait like 15 to 20 seconds and it should load. It should prompt you to sign in. And once you're signed in, you'll see your available Xboxes. So you can see right here, Xbox One. I can choose this. Now you want to go to your Xbox. So I'm going to switch over with my capture card. Here's my Xbox. Go up to the top and go to settings and just make sure you're connected to the same network as your PC. So I'm connected to Scump on here and I'm connected to Scump on my PC. Then you can go back. If you're not connected to the same network, it's not going to detect your Xbox. So that's one of the reasons why. We can go to remote features now. Tap this, type in your PIN. I got to remove that PIN. It's annoying. And then we can disable it under here and re-enable it. Now, if you don't re-enable it and disable it, it might not show up. So I highly suggest you disable that option and then re-enable it if you already got it enabled. And then wait about 15 seconds and it'll bring you through the next process. So it's not going to take too long to load, but sometimes you'll be like drifting off to sleep while this is loading because it takes so long. All right, let's go to next now. And then we can close. We can get the Xbox app on our phone if we really want that. All right, so now turn on your Xbox and make sure you're signed in. Then go back over to the computer. Go to xbox.com/remote play, sign in. We can go to add console now. And then we can go to launch on console. And something might pop up on your Xbox that says enabled. Just enable it. And then refresh this page. And here's my Xbox now. We can tap this. And, we see the little spaceship for some reason. That's a symbol. And here's our Xbox. We're going to be using remote play now. This is my Xbox One. Before I was connected to my Xbox Series X. So, got all these options on the top left. But my controller is just connected to my Xbox One. And I'm able to use it on my PC. Or you can connect a controller on your PC. Actually, I could try doing that right now. And just seeing if it works. Maybe I got my PlayStation controller would work. I highly doubt it. But yeah, just plug in a controller or connect it to your Xbox. Maybe it's in the other room. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.